A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, the British Broadcasting Corporation, BBC, has found itself embroiled in a contentious legal battle with former U.S. President Donald Trump, who has filed a staggering $10 billion defamation lawsuit against the revered broadcaster. The lawsuit stems from an edit made to Trump's speech during a Panorama documentary that aired just a week before the 2024 U.S. presidential elections. The stakes are high, and the implications of this case could resonate beyond the courtroom, affecting the BBC's reputation and operations in the United States. The BBC has firmly stated its intention to defend itself against the lawsuit, asserting that it has a strong legal standing. As the situation unfolds, many are left wondering about the potential outcomes and the broader impact on media freedom and journalistic integrity. Trump's lawsuit alleges that the BBC intentionally, maliciously, and deceptively edited his speech, which he delivered on January 6, 2021, just hours before the Capitol riot. The former president's legal team argues that the edit misled viewers and was designed to damage his reputation ahead of the election. The crux of Trump's case rests on two main legal arguments: jurisdiction and malice. He is suing from Florida, necessitating proof that audiences in the state viewed the Panorama program, which he claims was distributed through virtual private networks, VPNs. However, experts question whether this claim holds water, especially since the BBC maintains that the program was not broadcast in the U.S. The BBC's defense hinges on its assertion that the edit was an unintentional mistake, and that there was no malicious intent behind the splicing of Trump's speech. The broadcaster argues that the edit was a minor part of a larger documentary that sought to analyze the perspectives of Trump's supporters. With the edit comprising just 12 seconds of a 57-minute program, the BBC is confident it can demonstrate that it did not act with malice. However, the legal battle presents significant challenges. The cost of litigation is expected to be exorbitant, with estimates ranging from $50 to $100 million, prompting discussions about the financial implications for the BBC. Critics have raised concerns over the potential use of license fee payers' money to settle the lawsuit, a move that could lead to public backlash. Furthermore, the BBC is in a precarious position as it navigates ongoing negotiations regarding its future funding model and the upcoming BBC charter renewal, which is set to expire in 2027. This legal battle could divert attention and resources away from these critical discussions, potentially jeopardizing the corporation's future. As the BBC prepares to respond to Trump's filing, the implications of this case extend beyond mere legal considerations. It raises questions about media freedom and the role of journalism in holding powerful figures accountable. The BBC's decision to fight back against Trump's lawsuit may resonate positively with certain segments of the U.S. audience, potentially bolstering its brand as a defender of journalistic integrity. However, it also risks alienating others who may view the broadcaster's actions as politically motivated. The court proceedings, should they materialize, promise to be a fascinating spectacle, with both sides presenting their arguments in what could become a landmark case in media law. Legal experts have noted that Trump's lawsuit contains fundamental flaws, suggesting that the outcome may not be as straightforward as it appears. Previous cases involving media companies and Trump have often resulted in settlements, with some organizations opting to avoid lengthy legal battles. As the BBC weighs its options, the question remains: will it choose to stand its ground, or will it seek a settlement to avoid the costs and distractions of court? The BBC has long been a cornerstone of public broadcasting, and its fight against this lawsuit could set important precedents for media organizations worldwide. As the legal proceedings unfold, the eyes of the world will be watching closely, eager to see how this high-stakes battle will shape the future of journalism and media accountability. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.